Shalom guys, welcome to Dreamy's Country Kitchen. Today we are making Ghirardelli chocolate caramel cookies. Stay tuned if you're interested in how I made it. Please consider tapping the subscribe button below and come back for more recipes. 2 room temperature eggs, 2 sticks of butter, Ghirardelli chocolate caramel squares, 2½ cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, ½ teaspoon of sea salt, 1 cup of brown sugar, 3 cups of regular sugar, a teaspoon of baker's extract, and a teaspoon of vanilla. First, we're going to combine the sugar with the butter. Next, we'll add in our vanilla. Add your baker's extract. Don't forget to stop and occasionally scrape down the sides of your bowl. Now we're going to add our 2 eggs. Add the flour, salt, and baking soda. Definitely gradually add it in and not dump it in all at one time like I did. Combine all the ingredients thoroughly and then let it sit in the refrigerator at least for an hour. When your cookie dough has chilled properly, you can scoop it out and put it on a cookie sheet to bake. I usually round out my cookie dough balls, but you don't have to if you don't want to. Bake in the oven on 350 for 14 to 20 minutes. When your cookies have slightly cooled, you can place your Ghirardelli squares in the center of your cookies. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below on your way out. Shalom.